What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And I know it's been a while. Actually, it might not have been a while, because I think I have a video that I'll be uploading before this one. So if that's the case, yeah, excuse that. But what we're doing today, the last video was talking about having issues with one of my bags. That's a big reason why I haven't really been recording. So today I'm heading on over to Speedzone. They're gonna take a look at it, let me know what's going on, and as long as there's no parts that's needed, they'll be able to help fix it. But we'll see when we get there. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the car really quick. So I haven't really been driving the car in the last 2 months or so. Haven't drove it much. When I was going to Georgia the last time, I was going to drive, but the day before the trip, what ended up happening was my driver's side bag started leaking. And it did that when I was in Georgia the last time. But this time, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna deal with it. I'm just gonna book a flight. So I did that and flew to Georgia, spent some time with some family. And when I got back, I was like, I'll deal with it then. But I was still kind of dealing with a few other things on the back end. And the work schedule and everything didn't really line up for me to have time to really deal with it. So, because the only day that I really had time to deal with it was on Sundays, and that all my last few 3, 4, 5 Sundays have been pretty busy, so haven't really had time to deal with it. So, the homie Franz hit up Speedzone and asked them if they could take a look at it, because he knew I couldn't really deal with it until it was Sunday. And with Speedzone, Sunday's the only day that they don't deal with it. So the way we ironed it out is on my day off, I'm gonna go ahead and head on over to Speedzone and they're gonna take a look at it for me. The car has not been washed, as you can see, this whole time. So it's probably been 2.5 to 3 months since it's been washed. So it's definitely needed that. But once we get the bag situated, then I can get where I need to go to get it washed. But alright, so we are here. He's taking a look at it now. So let me get him the lock. So of course we're gonna be doing the soap and water test. See exactly where the leak's coming from. I've been thinking about changing the brake colors, but like I said, I don't know if I'm keeping the car yet. Okay, so that's it. The O-ring, where they usually come from. So I know it's been some trouble getting them in stock, and some places have been taxing for them. So I'm gonna see if we can find it, and probably gonna order a few of them just to be safe. But that's where we're at now. That's pretty clean. I seen it. That's the one that was in the back. Real clean. Nice and simple. But this is what I wanted to come out here and see. I haven't seen it in person. I've only seen it online. I feel like every time I come here, he has a different car. Definitely let me know what you guys think. I think it's clean. Definitely shout out to the homies at Speedzone. If you need anything, hit them up. They don't just do stuff for local people. So if you need some wheels, tires, and everything ordered, or just any other parts, you can definitely hit them up. You can give them a call. You can get the Kissimmee or Orlando location. They're both great. Yeah, they deliver. So yeah, hit them up. And the website is speedzone-web if you want to check them out online. But if you have something particular in mind, like a certain wheel or anything, I'll just hit them up, call them, because they can order pretty much anything. Even if they don't have a deal with a specific company, they can usually make it happen. They've actually ordered stuff off of eBay for me, and there's a different fee if you do something like that, but they can still do it if you need to. And they have financing available. They got like so many different ways you can finance. So it's a lot you can do with Speedzone. And I'm sponsored by them. So if you're part of the Fitted Squad and you let them know, they'll look out for you too. Let them know 2 Fitted sent you. But yeah, this is pretty much going to end the video. I know this is supposed to be a temporary measure, so we're going to keep an eye on it, see how it goes. But I actually do plan on getting rid of the Altima here pretty soon, so I'm not sure if I'm going to buy the O-rings or not. We'll give it a week or so, see how it goes. But hopefully in maybe a month or two, I'll be getting rid of the car. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm still gonna have some Altima content until that happens. And even after it happens, because I still got a lot of homies with the Altima, so they're still gonna be coming out and everything. So you definitely stay tuned if you're here just for the Altimas. But yeah, who knows? Things may even change. By then I might keep it and get something else and keep this. So who knows what's gonna happen. But before we end it, the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for the comment of the day, make sure you just leave a comment down below, and who knows, it may happen. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.